Today we're making creamed spinach. And the ingredients that we'll be using are 1 red onion, 4 cloves of garlic, parmesan cheese, so it depends on you how much you want to use. I have here all-purpose cream. This is 125 ml. We'll probably we probably won't use all of it. You also need butter, and I'm using 500 grams of spinach. So you can use fresh or frozen spinach, but if you use fresh spinach, it will wilt and it will shrink considerably. So I suggest using frozen spinach. This is frozen spinach that I thawed earlier. And it doesn't really shrink that much when you cook it. First step is let's chop our onion. Next, let's chop our garlic. Okay, that's done. Next, in a preheated pan, add in some olive oil. Add in some butter. And saute your onions. Add in your garlic. As soon as you smell the aroma of the onions and the garlic, add in your spinach. Season with salt. And pepper. And add in your cream. So we used up the entire 125 ml box. Move it from the heat. It's a bit too hot. Switch off the heat at this point. Then add in your cheese. Okay. And this dish is done. So it depends on you if you want to add more cheese or if you want to make it creamier. Just add more all-purpose cream. Okay, so let's have a taste. I like the creaminess already, but I think we can add a bit more cheese. Okay, so this is a good side dish for any roasted meat or fried meat or even fish. It's actually best with steak. And pair it with some mashed potatoes as well. And we're done for the day.